severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Grafton County in northern New Hampshire until 4:30 p.m. At 3:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles north of Haverhill, or 18 miles southwest of Littleton, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bethlehem, Lincoln, Haverhill, Franconia, Woodstock, Lisbon, Bath, Benton, Easton, Ellsworth, Monroe, Landaff, Lyman, Thornton, Sugar Hill, Waterville Valley, and Livermore. This includes Interstate 93 between mile markers 90 and 118. This also includes Franconia Notch, Mount Muscillock, Canaan Mountain, North Twin Mountain, and Franconia Ridge. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties: Grafton, New Hampshire,